Insertion sort. You have seen many sorting methods in the previous lessons. In this lesson we will talk about one more sorting method, and that's called insertion sort. Insertion sort is a simple sorting method, a comparison sort, in which the sorted array or list is built one entry at a time. It's slower than the heap sort, or the merge sort, or the shell sort. Insertion sort is well suited for sorting small data sets, or for the insertion of new elements into a sorted sequence. It has various advantages, and now let's see what they are. It's simple to implement. Efficient on quite small data sets. Efficient on data sets which are already substantially sorted. Stable, does not change the relative order of elements with equal keys. In place, it requires only a constant amount of extra memory space. And it is an online algorithm, in that it can sort a list as it receives it. Now, let's discuss this with an example. In this example, we use a function called insertion sort, which has two arguments. Inside the main function, we declare an array variable, that is, a, which holds 5 elements, and an integer variable called I. Using this for loop, we input the values to array. In the next line, we call the insertion sort function by passing array and 5. Now the process will start from the insertion sort function definition. Inside this function, we declare I, j, and index variables respectively. Then we generate a for loop until the value of I is less than the array size. Inside the for loop, we assign numbers of I value to the index variable. Similarly, in the next line, the I value is assigned to the j variable. In the while loop, we test the condition. If the condition reads true, these statements will get execution. Once it is done, the index value will be assigned to the numbers of j. And finally, the control will move to the main function. Here we display the sorted elements using this for loop. Let's execute this code. To do that, press Alt F9 to compile. When that's done, click on OK. Run the code by pressing Ctrl F9. Now you need to input 5 integers. Once you're done, press Enter and look at the output. I hope you're now clear with the concept of insertion sort.